bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
A fetal heartbeat can often be detected by ultrasound starting at 6 weeks, sometimes as early as 5.5 weeks with advanced equipment. This heartbeat confirms pregnancy viability and reassures parents and doctors. If no heartbeat is seen by 7 weeks, further monitoring is needed to check pregnancy health. Early ultrasounds provide essential insights for a healthy pregnancy journey.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.